I'm a winner.
Hello everybody, this is Imran Jamil once again. Today we are going to talk about something that is very basic but very prominent and very frequent in our lives. And that is sometimes when we are doing the work, especially technical work. We try to force things, and in my last video also, I was installing something on the motorcycle and I said that, if something is not sitting in the slot properly, don't force it in. Try to see where is the missing link and what's not sitting right and what's wrong, and so just try to figure it out, because these parts and generally any of the technical aspects are not designed to be forced. Now today we are going to talk about something totally different, which is this pressure washer. It's been sitting for over a year and a half, and again I'm blessed that my older son and now my younger one is getting to a point where he can help me out too. He does a lot of stuff by himself, and a lot of times we just like to get things done without following the proper protocol. Now what happened here, it's been sitting for over a year and a half, and every time we would turn it on, it would just not have power. It would start and then as if something is blocking it. And initially we thought that, okay, it's an electric power washer, and it's been fantastic until that point, that it may have probably it may be the end of its life. Just today we were talking about it after a very long time. It's a nicer day, and we need to pressure wash, and we need to do a few things with this. So I was like, okay, let's figure it out. My son was like, why don't we use that to wash the car and things like that. So last couple of times it's been my son who's been doing the pressure wash on our backyard entrance, and since then it stopped working. I never doubted anything that he did wrong, but again, the only thing he did wrong is folding the pipe. He folded the pipes any way, shape or form it came to his hands, and today I pulled it out and I saw that, well, my God, I mean, the pipes were just tangled. And I'm talking about this particular pipe. This is the pressure wash pipe, and it's got so many bends of like 90 degrees or more that any pipe would stop working. But they were hidden the way it was folded or rounded out or folded around. They were just hidden. So until I unfolded the whole pipe, I was not able to see. But having said that, I'm talking all about it. But I'm still not sure, because it's been sitting in cold and hot and every kind of weather for about a year and a half, that if it's going to solve the problem. But I am pretty confident that sometimes you can save a lot of money just by trying to figure out, at least if something is not working, it's already gone for you, it's already bad, right? So at least give it a shot. You may come up with some solutions, or you may find that something very simple was required. So in this case, let's see. We unfolded both of the pipes, and now I'm going to turn it on and see if it works, if it's still alive. All right, so first things first, we're going to we will connect the main pipe hose, and this is the opening, and just make sure that the hose sits in really well. And again, this was also forced in, it probably was not aligned properly, and in order to tightening it up, I guess it was just forced in. So first tighten up this part, and now the front one. So there are two, and generally in most power washes you will find these adapters like that. But you also have to tighten up this other one, otherwise it's gonna continue to leak. I don't know if it's tightened enough or not, but it's leaking. So I'm gonna just try to see if I can. And look, I mean, I'm not an expert at these things, but I've done enough in my life, I guess. But I learned the etiquettes from some of the people who really helped me learn, and my uncle is one of them. He would be really upset if you cut corners. He'd be like, do one thing, do it right. And now I understand why he said so. Now let's turn it on first. Alright, so this was the problem. There you go, folks. The moral of the story is that do not cut corners while you're stocking something, you're restoring something, especially these electric devices, mechanical devices, and some of these household devices. They require a little bit more attention. If there are pipes, you can't bend them, you know, things like that. So just be careful. Hopefully this video will help somebody. So this is again Dock and Rocker electric power wash. I think this one is for 3,500 psi maximum pressure. That's what they claim. And I have no reason to doubt them because I've been very happy for the past 3.5 years. So now it's fixed. And one more thing that we need to understand is there are different types of attachments with different numbers like 15, 25, 40, 0. So that sets the pressure level of how it will impact. Like all you have to do is just pull up on that and put it back, and it's secured. Like right now it's 25. So this is at 25. Give me the 15. Now I'm gonna put what it says 0 degrees for some reason it says, and I can see that it's just one circular hole in that. It's not flat. So this one I would assume would put the most pressure on it. See? Oh my God, look at that. What we cleaned from the same distance with the 25, number 25, 0 is further cleaning. Right. But it's going to take more time if you're going to use 0. The smaller the pressure point is, the more time it's going to take for the amount of surface or volume that you have. Specifically, you don't want to use the smaller settings or the tighter settings for cleaning up your car or any of the surfaces that have paints associated with it. It's going to rip everything off. So make sure that you go with the lowest amount of pressure, which means according to this pressure wash, the higher the number, the lower the pressure. So and still keep a safe distance if you're cleaning up your car or anything else. So I just wanted to remind you of that if you're looking into using a pressure wash. It's one of the best things that you can have in your household inventory, because right now the amount of cleaning I need just in the small areas in the front yard, yeah, I would have to pay $300, $400, $500 in order to get that clean. And with this piece of equipment, which is very easy to store and very easy to operate and very easy to maintain, it will be very convenient. So having said that, have a good one. Take care.